welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day I would like to take a look at dollar CAD. So what I have here is dollar CAD on the daily, and very interestingly, let's just first take a look at the market structure that we have. Right, the dollar CAD market structure on the daily has actually been in a downtrend. Right, we see that price is in a downtrend from here all the way down to recently over here before making a reversal. Right, and in this reversal, prices are making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, however, I just want to point out to you guys something which I spotted over here. Okay, if I were to draw an ascending trend line support starting from this point and try to touch as many candles as possible without cutting the candle bodies, you can see very clearly, I'm just going to zoom in so it's easier for you guys to see. You can see very clearly that price has broken and closed below this trend line, right? So people may be thinking that on bigger time frame we should see a bounce higher. However, in effect, we closed yesterday below this trend line. So this could simply signify, this could either be a fake out, right, or it could be a short-term drop. So let's quickly go down to the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour, I want to focus on this area right here. Right, remembering that on the daily we have already broken below the ascending trend line support turn resistance. Now, market structure here is very clear. High to low, lower high, and now lower low. So we can actually connect a trend line using the swing highs. You can see very clearly a price is in a descending downtrend. You can also see a zigzag, a very clear zigzag like that, right? So we can project how far down price could possibly drop. 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3. Okay, so there's the 100% Fibonacci extension is a lot lower actually. So very quickly, this could very well be our intraday take profit level. Not just that, if you look to the left, it's actually close to a graphical swing low zone, right? That was tested back on the 12th of August. Okay, so in the middle of August, slightly more than a month back. Right, so what I'm expecting price to do is actually to make a push down to this take profit level, but we know that prices never move in a straight line. Okay, I think price could actually fluctuate higher and then come back down. I'm just going to do a Fibonacci retracement of the last move, the high to the low, and we can see that there's a 23.6 graphical overlap level here. Okay, there's a graphical overlap resistance. Okay, so this can very well be our sell entry. Again, for me, this will be a zone because I want to see price coming closer to the trend line, right? To the trend line, okay? And of course, last but not least, I'll put a stop loss outside above the trend line and just outside the structure. Not the best risk reward trade, right? But if prices really does push up a bit more, okay, the stop loss will prevent us from being stopped out prematurely because it is far enough. But if price really does break above the stop loss, that will mean that prices will have now made a higher low and higher high, breaking above the descending trendline resistance, showing that our bearish idea is invalidated. Last but not least, we can also look at the momentum indicator, right? Momentum indicator price is holding very nicely below moving average. MACD is below zero with no sign of divergence, showing that price is indeed in a bearish environment. Okay, so I'm just going to tidy up this entire area. Okay, just give me a while so I can zoom in and let you guys see the charts better. Alright, so I'm just going to expand it a bit more. Okay, again, just remember today is Friday, it's NFP day, so gotta be careful with your intraday trades. Until next week, take care, trade safe, stay safe. I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.